Welcome to the ultimate guide on AI tools every developer must use in 2026. These tools will save you hours of work, boost your productivity, and make you a 10x developer. Whether you are a beginner or senior developer, these tools will change the way you code forever. Tool 1. Cursor AI. The smartest AI code editor in 2026. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor built on VS Code that understands your entire codebase. It can write, refactor, debug, and explain code using natural language, making it the most powerful coding assistant available in 2026. Cursor's standout features include Composer mode for multi-file edits, Agent mode that autonomously completes full tasks, Codebase indexing for context-aware suggestions, and Tab autocomplete that predicts your next 10 lines of code. Cursor AI key shortcuts and commands. Tool 2. GitHub Copilot. AI pair programmer inside your editor. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant developed by GitHub, an OpenAI that suggests entire lines, functions, and blocks of code in real time as you type. In 2026, Copilot has evolved into a full agent that can create files, run tests, and fix bugs autonomously. Copilot is available in VS Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, and Visual Studio. Its workspace feature allows it to understand your entire project context and plan multi-step implementations from a single natural language description. GitHub Copilot usage examples. Tool 3. Bolt.new. Build and deploy full-stack apps from your browser. Bolt.new by StackBlitz is an AI-powered full-stack development environment that runs entirely in the browser. You describe your app in a prompt and Bolt generates the complete project with components, routing, styling, and even backend logic in under 2 minutes. In 2026, Bolt supports React, Next, JS, Vue, Svelte, Astro, Node, JS, Supabase, and Stripe integrations. It is the fastest way to go from idea to working prototype without installing anything on your machine. Bolt.new power prompt example. Tool 4. V0 by Vercel. Generate production-ready UI with a single prompt. V0 is an AI UI generation tool by Vercel that creates beautiful, production-ready React components using Shadchan, UI and Tailwind CSS from a simple text or image description. It is the fastest way to build professional UIs without designing from scratch. In 2026, V0 supports full page generation, responsive layouts, dark mode, accessibility features, and direct deployment to Vercel. You can also upload a screenshot or wireframe and V0 will recreate it as clean React code. V0 prompt examples for stunning UI components. Tool 5. Supermaven. The fastest AI autocomplete for developers. Supermaven is an ultra-fast AI code completion tool that uses a 1 million token context window to understand your entire codebase and predict exactly what you are going to write next. It is significantly faster than GitHub Copilot with near zero latency suggestions. Built by the creator of Tabnine, Supermaven integrates with VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. It learns your personal coding patterns over time, making suggestions that feel like they were written by you, not a generic AI. Why Supermaven beats other autocomplete tools. Tool 6. Perplexity AI. The developer's research superpower. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that gives instant, cited, up-to-date answers to complex technical questions. Unlike ChatGPT, Perplexity searches the live web and always shows its sources, making it perfect for developers who need accurate, current information. In 2026, Perplexity Pro supports file uploads, coding assistance, API access, and a Spaces feature where you can create a personal knowledge base for your tech stack, giving you a custom AI assistant that knows your exact tools and frameworks. Best ways developers use Perplexity AI. Tool 7. Warp Terminal. The AI-powered terminal for developers. Warp is a modern AI-powered terminal that replaces your traditional command line with a smart, collaborative interface. It features AI command lookup, command blocks, natural language terminal commands, and team sharing of terminal sessions. In 2026, Warp's AI agent can autonomously run multi-step terminal workflows from a single English instruction, like setting up a full Laravel project, running migrations, seeding the database, and starting the server with one prompt. Warp Terminal AI commands in action. Tool 8. Claude AI. The best AI for code review and architecture. Claude by Anthropic is the most capable AI assistant for complex reasoning, code review, system design, and long document analysis in 2026. With a 200,000 token context window, Claude can read and review your entire codebase in a single conversation. Claude excels at architectural decisions, security audits, refactoring legacy code, writing technical documentation, and explaining complex algorithms. Developers use Claude as a senior engineer on demand. Available 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. Best Claude AI prompts for developers. Tool 9. Tabnine. Private AI code completion for teams. Tabnine is an AI code completion tool focused on privacy and security for enterprise development teams. Unlike cloud-based tools, Tabnine can run entirely on your local machine or private server, meaning your code never leaves your infrastructure. In 2026, Tabnine supports team learning, where it trains on your company's private codebase and suggests code that follows your team's specific patterns, naming conventions, and architecture, making it the top choice for companies that cannot share code with external AI services. Tabnine setup for private team usage. Tool 10. Codium. Windsurf. The free AI editor taking over in 2026. Windsurf by Codium is a free AI-powered code editor that in 2026 has become one of the strongest competitors to Cursor. Its Cascade AI agent can autonomously plan, write, debug, and deploy entire features while explaining every step it takes. What makes Windsurf stand out is its flow system, a deep collaboration between AI and developer where the AI remembers context across the entire development session, understands what you're trying to build at a high level, and proactively suggests the next steps without being asked. Windsurf Cascade Agent Example Workflow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video on 10 AI tools every developer must use in 2026, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next part. Drop your answer in the comments below and see you in the next video.
Here is your knowledge check question. What is the most important concept in 10 AI tools every developer must use in 2026? Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.